अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, आपके भाई ने जिम ज्वाइन कर ली है और बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है। आज ना मैं आपको इस पूरी वीडियो में डिटेल बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या मैं यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ और क्या मैं खाने में ले रहा हूँ। इससे मुझे इतना फ़ायदा हो रहा है, शुगर मेरी 10 दिन में ही मतलब मैं बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ। और जो मेरी ट्रेनर है पैट्रिशिया, शी इज़ हियर, ये भी आपको बताएंगी कि इन्होंने मुझे कहा है कि 3 महीने में पेट फ्लैट, बल्कि इन्होंने तो 2 महीने कहे, मैं आपको I'm telling them 3 months. Although you said that
3 months,
it should go down within
It
2
go down
months
before, but
if I
we
follow
can start,
the diet she is telling me. तो अगर आप लोग भी ये करना चाहते हैं तो आप ये वीडियो देख लें, मैं आपको पूरा बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या कर रहे हैं और इसमें आपको पूरा डाइट प्लान भी आता रहेगा साथ साथ। वीडियो में मैं आपको बताता रहूँगा कि मैं ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या ले रहा हूँ, लंच में क्या ले रहा हूँ, डिनर में क्या ले रहा हूँ, किस टाइम पे कर रहा हूँ। सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर।
Use the rope, and this is to get him warm up, get his muscle warm up, get his blood circulating, and get into the workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and jumping jacks again. 1, 2, and this is to let his heart rate go up, get his heart rate up, his muscle warm up, blood circulating, preventing from any injuries or anything. Okay. All right.
10.
So here we go. Now we're going to move up to the pull-ups, and he's going to do pull-ups. Now the pull-ups is going to help him with body strength.
और यहाँ पे ये मुझे 3 स्टेप्स पे ये अगर दाना आप यहाँ से आके दिखा सकें, ये यहाँ से पहले मुझे करना है एक सेट 10 का, फिर यहाँ पे 10 का, फिर यहाँ पे 10 का। बंदा थक जाता है, लेकिन उसके बाद जो मज़े की नींद आती है और जो शुगर मेरी कंट्रोल चल रही है, क्या बात है। 2, 3।
Come a little bit more down.
अब ये पूरा करने की बजाय आप लोगों को भी टाइम वेस्ट होगा, बस ये यानी तीनों हैंडल्स पे 10 टाइम्स आपने करना है, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद जो अगला स्टेप है वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। नाउ दिस वन
Is the lats pull down. This is going to help get rid of all this in the side, get his back, shoulders also in definition, all the way up and come down, work the lats. Good. So it helps to get rid of all of this on the side here.
So I'm doing like 3 sets
Lats,
of
3
12,
sets of lats pull down, 3 sets of 10.
three sets of 10. So I'll have 1 minute break. Or can you please tell me, audience, about your age?
So, okay. So my name is Patty. Call me strong. I'm in retirement age. I'm not going to say how much, but yeah, I'm in retirement age. And most of my life I've been taking care of people from the nurse and the hospital. And I always into fitness. So when I lost my mom at an early age, that's what pushed me into fitness more. And I'm more towards our population, like the Indian population, the Muslim population, because they do not do any form of workout. They just eat, sit, or walk. That's it. So when they educate them about the workout, about their body, eating healthy and stuff, because we're prone to diabetes, and I don't want that. That's how I lost my mom. That's how I lost my grandparents. And I'm trying to reach out to that population, especially in majority of my clients are Muslim or the women that don't want to go into the gym. So I want to educate them about their eating, how to work out, longevity, and not only that, they're doing it for their kids, their family. And that's what I am interested in doing, of helping these ladies especially, and the men. I have people that comes out of divorce and in a slump, and by working out, they pick themselves up and they got their confidence back. And I see how they lost the weight and how they're looking so good and amazing. And that's just that I want to do. I just want to help this generation.
So I'm taking BCAs.
Yes, he's taking his BCAs, he sipped and he throughout the workout, which helps with the recovery and the soreness, which is the buildup from the lactic acid in the muscles. So that helps with the recovery, and it also helps with growing the muscles.
And in the breakfast, I'm taking protein shake. Can you please tell about the plant-based milk? What's that?
I put him on 90% plant-based. I take him off dairy, meat. He can have chicken. He's been doing a lot of vegetables, salads, less carbs. He's doing low resistant carbs. no sodas, nothing, no sugar. So he's on a pretty clean, healthy eating, not a diet. Because I don't believe in diet. I believe in clean, healthy, whole foods eating, and that's what he's on.
अच्छा कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी
And
या
if he
सॉरी
continue doing that, as I'm doing my part and he's doing his part, I promise you will see the changes in his body.
यस इंशाल्लाह। और ये जो मॉर्निंग में मैं ले रहा हूँ, आपके सामने भी पिक्चर्स भी आ रही हैं उसकी, प्रोटीन, और उसमें ऐड होता है स्ट्रॉबेरी, ब्लूबेरी एंड ब्लैकबेरीज,
Right.
और उसके अंदर आप कोई भी फ्रेश फ्रूट भी, हाफ बनाना और सम फ्रेश फ्रूट, फ्रेश स्ट्रॉबेरी यू कैन ऐड, नो शुगर एट ऑल। वो मैं ब्रेकफास्ट में ले रहा हूँ, ये आपके सामने चीज़ें आ रही है। अगर आप अमेरिका में रहते हैं तो होल फूड्स पे दे कैन गेट एनीथिंग एट होल फूड्स,
Anything
या
at Whole Foods,
और अगर
yes.
पाकिस्तान में तो वहाँ भी आपको अच्छे बड़े स्टोर्स जो हैं, बड़े ब्रांड्स हैं, वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी। और आफ्टरनून में सैलड लेता हूँ, सैलड के साथ फिर एक प्रोटीन शेक लेता हूँ। मैंने वनीला लिया हुआ, आप चॉकलेट भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो भी आपको पसंद है। और डिनर इन्होंने कहा है कि व्हाट शुड बी द माय डिनर
For
टाइम।
dinner, his last meal should be between 5 and 6. I don't want him to have anything after 6 o'clock. So after 6 o'clock, he can have tea, herbal teas, and that will keep him going. But he's on a plant-based diet, so I don't want him to have anything after that because we're working and getting this down. This is what
पहला
we're
काम
trying-
इसके ऊपर
this
हो रहा
have to
है,
go
2
down.
महीने में ये कह रहे हैं इंशाल्लाह ये
And-
बिल्कुल फ्लैट हो जाएगा।
right. So he's eating a lot of chicken for dinner, fish, if you want. His veggies, like I said, plant-based, low glycemic food, like yuca, quinoa, purple potatoes, other stuff like that. Those green plantains. That is very good for him to eat.
अच्छा, इन्होंने मुझे ना हर चीज़ अल्टरनेट दी है स्नैक्स के लिए। She gave me chips that you can get from Whole
Guac-
Food,
with
that
guacamole.
grain free chips,
Yeah.
yogurt, everything। यानी डाइट वाला इनका सीन नहीं है, कहते हैं खुल के खाओ लेकिन 6 बजे तक आखिरी मील हो जाए, और मैं इसको फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। एंड what about the when you have craving about the any drink you want,
Okay,
like
so he's drinking like herbal drink, a lot of water, and I give him some herbal teas, which is no sugar, it's just herbs, natural herbal tea, like from leaves and stuff. He's having that. So those teas, hot teas or cold teas, they're all herbal teas. And I also have him on a detox.
Yes.
He's doing a detox, get all the toxin out of his system, and I also have him to do a deworm. So once he finished the detox, get all this stuff down, then he does the deworm, because we do pick up parasites. Like on vacation, meat that's not cooked properly, you walk outside barefooted, all that there, and it has all of that sitting there. So once this is healthy, your entire body is healthy.
and
Because
I
everything
also
starts from here. So this is why I have to work and getting this down, all that toxic, all that build up, and the weight, and he will be good.
and also I have cheat day as well. Yeah.
Yes,
So on the weekend.
On the
yeah.
weekends, I tell him if you want to have a cheat days, I know our culture love the curry goat or whatever you call it, goat curry and rice. He can have portion control, a little bit of rice, more veggie in the plate, a little bit of goat meat, and of course, goat meat is not high in cholesterol. It's not high in protein, but it's a more lean, dense meat. So he can have the goat or the chicken. The lamb and the red meat, I don't want him to have that.
And in the salad,
Salad.
what
is,
things like goat cheese and what
he
are the
has
necessary
goat
things?
cheese. I give him goat cheese, goat fatty cheese. He's doing plant-based dressing, like the Gatom plant-based dressing, the mixed salad. I told him to put like the grilled chicken in there, a little bit of egg white, boil the egg, cut it up in there. So he's doing all that. He's on a really clean, healthy eating. So he will be fine. He'll be good. Okay?
Okay.
Mashallah, he's doing good.
So what's next?
So now you'll finish that.
Yes.
Okay, here I am, and I'm going to set up this now. So I'm working on full body workout with him right now. Full body workout for now.
Okay.
Because he's in the beginner stage. So I can't take him and throw all the weights. He has to start off as a beginner because I don't want him to hurt, get any injuries, muscle spasms, all that stuff, and injures himself. So we're going to start off light. As time goes by, he's going to be going heavy because he's going to get pushed. So here you go. You're going to stand here, and you're going to do bicep curls with squat. Down and up, down and up.
Okay. How many sets?
So he give me 3 12s.
Three
And that's
12s.
working biceps and legs at the same time.
312s.
Yeah. And all the way up. Upright. Keep your body upright. Don't lean too much forward.
Okay.
Chest is up and go down and down and down. Down. There you go. Very good. MashaAllah. Good. Doing good. Very good.
Now it's a break.
Take a break. Take a sip. Now he's going to take a sip of his BCAs, which help him to go through his workout. That gives him the stamina to work out, help him to go through his reps and the recovery. So he catches his breath, he take a minute, he goes right back into it.
So if someone want to do at home, so how they can follow these things at home?
Well, they're going to need probably a couple like dumbbells,
Okay.
and they don't even have to have this. Just have the dumbbell, and you can just do it yourself.
Yeah,
Just like that.
without this
One.
you can, yes.
Right. But I just do set that up because I want you to go down to a certain
Yes.
width, and I want the legs to be certainly apart.
अभी इसके मुझे 3 सेट करने हैं 10-10 के, तो इसलिए अभी बस सारी बात है, एक चीज़ आप रिपीट देखेंगे। अभी आपको अगले स्टेप पे जाके फिर बताते हैं कि हमने क्या करना है।
And back and arms at the same time. As I said, we're doing full body workout because he's a beginner. He's going to put his foot here, go down. I have to push it back a little more. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
You bend. Now come on up. Up when you come in. Down and up. Don't touch with this. You don't touch it with
Okay.
it. You just go down and up. Him into the workout. I trust he's going to do good. He's going to do very well. And I just want to say, the majority of my clientele, or the Muslim ladies that wear the
Hijab.
the hijab, that's mainly my clientele. So if they want to get their private workout where no one sees them and into it, I'm welcome to speak to them, educate them about working out their bodies and healthy eating, and welcome them here.
मुझे भी मेरे एक पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन दोस्त ने रिकमेंड किया और यहाँ पे 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग होती है। ये नहीं 1 आवर जो मेरा है इसमें कोई और क्लाइंट यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, मैं ही वर्कआउट करूँगा। तो वो ये बता रहे हैं कि ख़वातीन भी इनके पास आती हैं, मुस्लिम ख़वातीन, पाकिस्तानी ख़वातीन, और क्योंकि प्राइवेसी है मुकम्मल, तो वो भी यहाँ पे अपनी पूरी ट्रेनिंग करती हैं और वेट लूज़ करती हैं। So what we're gonna do next?
All right, so now we're going to do the abs, because now you have to see the abs, because that's what definitely we're going to work on. Here we go. All right, let's see. 4, there you go. 5, 6, both sides, both arms turn that way. There you go.
Okay, this is for the belly.
There you go. Yes.
Okay.
That gotta go. But you.
So how many sets for this?
Good. We're gonna do another 2 more.
2 more.
2 more. Generally, I do 520s,
Okay.
but he's running late, so I cut
चलें
it
जी,
short
आगे यही
tonight.
2 हैं. So that's it for today.
That's it for tonight.
And because we have done 2, 3, sometimes 4 sets, so it took a lot of time. लेकिन हमने वीडियो ज़रा शॉर्ट सी बनाई है. So what you want to say to my audience?
Thank you for viewing.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.